Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of 21 days to good hair. Well, for those of you who might not know me or just might be tuning into my challenge for the first time, hi, my name is Sukhneet. I run a fashion and a lifestyle blog called Miss Coco Queen. I'm based out of New Delhi in India, and here we do challenges which takes care of our hair and skin. Today is day 2 of 21 days to good hair. 21 days to good hair is a challenge, which means for the coming 21 days, I will be using very easily available kitchen ingredients to make hair packs and hair oils, which I will apply on my hair to work on problems like hair fall, hair thinning, hair breakage, early graying, dandruff, practically everything that will help you make your hair healthy and beautiful. So without any delay, let's get on to day 2 of 21 days to good hair. I must say that today's ingredient is very interesting. If you are from South India, I think you might be putting it in most of your dishes. I mean, I love it in my sambar. Guys, today's ingredient is curry leaves, which is curry patta. Curry patta is a rich source of vitamin B, which helps in early graying, and most importantly, it has loads of protein, which helps in hair fall. So we're going to make an oil today, which you can either keep it for an hour and then wash it off, or you can also keep it overnight and wash it the next day. Let's get on to the procedure. Very simple ingredients today, though it's a little time consuming procedure. Take 2-3 stems of curry leaves properly washed. Coconut oil, any kind of coconut oil would work. A pan to heat the oil with the curry leaves, and a strainer to in the end strain it. Hey guys, it's the next day. I kept my oil overnight. I gave it a good wash, and yeah, that's how it looks. As you can see the comb test, I am so pleasantly surprised, shocked and happy that the hair fall has reduced tremendously. I don't know, are you guys also feeling the same change? I mean, for me it's really working as of now, and I hope that it's working for you as well. Also, I would like to add that if you are taking up this challenge, you really have to be patient, because hair fall is a major and a more acute problem than your skin related problems, because it could be deficiency of vitamins, it could be hormone imbalance. Causes of hair fall are more serious than any of your skin issues, I feel. So you have to be really patient. You have to make sure that you actually don't have to be disappointed if it doesn't work out in the first place. You have to give hair much more time, so you need to be more patient about it. So like I said in day 1, be with me for 21 days and let's hope a great change in your hair. So guys, this was day 2. I will be back with day 3 very soon, and I hope you try this over the weekend, and yeah, have a good hair day. Bye guys, see you soon.